have you tried to reminisce na pag-gising natin sa umaga, if ang bahay natin is negative energy, what is negative energy, Kuya George? Kaya we don't know ni Pastor. That's for me, George. And that's me, Kuya o George. Gusto ko yung storya lang na. Okay? Let's talk. Okay? Kasi kung Pastor mo yung doon, is Pastor and Pastor. By the way, guys, ako yung marami sa, I made mistake 1,000 times. Many times. But minsan-minsan sa akin, stop to serve God. Because I realize I serve a perfect God. Okay? So I'm not perfect for no, but it's not a reason for a human nature na, hindi ako perfect, human na ikaw ko. It's not that, you know? So, ayun mo po, is ko nakapastor na, hindi ako kami, no? Ha? I made mistake. I'm still under construction. Okay ba yun? Nagkakintigan tayo? Okay. Palyas na ako sa inyo. Hindi na ako nagkakamali ako. Okay. Gusto natin mawala yung tama ka. Meron po kami nakuha strategy mawawala lang sa pamilya niyo. We talk about morality. But before that, ano yung when we use this history maker, it's not about the name of our God, history maker. It's our city. It's not about that. Okay? We're not like a church person, church groups. Gusto namin yung relax na talaga, istorya ng tayo. Okay? Lahat tayo nagkakamali. So, let's talk. Okay? Kung mag-workout ka, hindi ka. So, let's talk. Tama ba? Wala dapat mag-workout. So, let's talk. Walang away nangyayari kung tayo natulusap ng ano? Maayos. Tama ba? So, let's talk. Ito yun. Number one. Ito. Gusto nyo mawala yung lahat, tama? Okay, number one. Identification. Identification. Specific natin. O identify natin of values of respect. Okay, let's go to verse. According to Ephesians 6:1, let's go to verse. Recap natin yung bata sa ako, yung Sunday school. I attended always ilang Walisan Saudi Baptist Church. So, I have a Saudi Baptist but meron children, children 1, children 2. Diba? And yun. But remember ko po, Ephesians 6:1, this is common verse, and common sinasabi ko kahit sa ibang simbahan. So yun, children, obey your parents.